Hello everyone. Today we're going to teach you how to make this very nice looking sunset in Python Turtle. Python Turtle is a program that lets us paint using programmation. First of all, we have to open a browser and search for www.repl.it. You click in sign up and create an account by filling up these spaces. When you are registered, you click in New REPL in the top right space. You need to select Python with Turtle. This is very important because this one is the one which works to create the painting. Now that we have a REPL, we need to import Turtle, import random, and import math. These three commands will help us to make the sunset. First of all, I am going to explain you some of the basic commands in this program. Number one, it is used to turn the turtle to the right or to the left using angles. Number two, it is used to make the turtle go forward or backward. Number three, it is used to put the turtle in a specific point. Number four, it is made to make a circle with any radius you want. Pen up and pen down. They are used to start or to stop painting. Pen size is the thickness of our pen. And last of all, the speed. Now we have to create our turtle. Mine is named Ye. You only have to copy what I just typed in the screen. We need to copy these codes in order that our turtle acquires the characteristics we want, like the speed, the position, and the color. First of all, we are going to create the frame. The frame is going to be black and it is going to be 600 by 600 pixels. We are going to make the frame with this loop right here, which is set up to repeat 4 times.
Here we need to create the first pair of mountains. With that, we are going to play a little bit with the angles and the movements in order to make two mountains. In this step is not much important the things you do below, just that the shape of the mountain stays looks well. Because we made a random triangle, and the part that didn't stay well that is in the bottom is going to be covered by the second pair of mountains. So we did 2 large triangles in order to make the first mountains. As you can see, if you want, so you can copy the same codes, or you can play with the angles in order to make your mountains look not as parallel as ours, or you can do it the same as ours. Then you will make a little square down in order to fill it up, because it will look nicer. And when you do the second pair of mountains, if the code leaves any blank space, it will not look bad, because the first mountain is filled up, so you get that covered. As you can see, we are making the square in order to keep it on the margin and to fill it up. Then we have to make the sun. We will put a circle on the on the between the two mountains in the upper part. We will make we make it with the command j dot set position and pen up, and you put j dot circle 50, and that number determines the if your sun is big or small. The only thing you need to do in this part is to is that your set position needs to be on the center if you want a really centered sunset. And as you can see, we already put the sun here. You can follow the code as we put it, and you only have to obviously need to change the color to orange in order to the sun looks the color you want it. Then you need to fill up the sun as we see there, and you just put j dot begin fill, and you fill it up with another color that you like. Then we will quickly go to the second row of mountains, and in the second row we didn't make the random triangles. We just made we just played with the angles in order to make the shape of the mountains. As you can see, there is in color gray, and we just played with the angles, and we made the second row. As we repeat, the bottom part here is not as important, because when we already have the second row of mountains, we are going to fill it up in order to get the mountains to look well. There we are making the complete square in the bottom in order to make the mountain look good.
In a different color, we recommend you to copy and paste the codes to use before, as we already said. Or another option is to play with the numbers and angles in order to get different shapes of mountains, but it's quite hard to do it. This is the hardest part of the drawing, the clouds. In order to do them, we need to use random, so they appear in a random way each time that you start the painting in different parts of the screen. So this is how to do it. You need to set up a range. It means the number of clouds that you want. The X and the Y, they mean the coordinates in which they appear and the shape of the clouds. Here you can see how the clouds appear in different order and in different parts of the screen, always respecting the values you set it for the X and Y positions, so it doesn't look messy or bad. To finish, we decided to create little birds that are in the sky in order for them to look more pretty and decorate the drawing. These ones are quite hard. because you need plenty of codes to create them. This part is optional. It's just if you want it to look nicer. Well, now that the painting is complete, you can look how beautiful it is after the work, and it's quite difficult, but it's not impossible. You can do it. It's just a matter of practice and knowing the codes. Once you understand it, it's quite easy. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and see you next time on the channel.